Hello everyone, today I have a review of the knife replica of the Reate company. This time it's a Gravity knife, model EXO-M. Total length is 19.6 cm, blade length is 8 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. The steel of the blade is D2. It is a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered between 59 and 60 HRC, flat grind, satin finish and stonewash finish. On the blade you can see the name of the steel, D2. The handle is made of grey and blue aluminium with black G10 inserts. The company name, Reate Knives. A safety switch prevents accidental opening the knife. The pocket clip without any motif. In summary, this is my first Gravity knife. If I had to write down the two most reliable types of folding knives, they will be balisongs and Gravity knives. The lock is your own hand. As long as you hold the knife strongly, nothing happens. However, Gravity knives have an advantage over balisongs in terms of opening speed, and you don't have to flip them. There is no spring. As the name suggests, the knife opens using the laws of physics and gravity. A simple and genius solution. Very smooth mechanics, no jamming, and due to its design, it's easy to clean. Versions with the dagger and the tanto blade are also available. This isn't a popular type of knife, which is likely due to its illegality in many countries. Nevertheless, it's very interesting and effective knife. That's all this review. Thanks for watching.